In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete files from your media gallery on Filmora. So if you had imported media files such as video and music, as well as audio files and photos, and you'd like to go ahead and empty your gallery in Filmora, it is quite simple. I'll show you a step-by-step process of doing it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I have quite a number of files that I added here, and I'd like to go ahead and delete one of them, and I want to delete this one. To delete it, it is quite simple. Just head over to the file that you want to delete and then right click on it, and then you'll see this option called delete. Once you tap on it, you have to confirm by clicking on delete here, and as you can see, that file has been deleted from my media in Filmora. So if you can't see your media files, you may want to go ahead and click on this media, and it will show all the media files that you have on your Filmora account. If you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.